so sorry guys. This is the part 2 because I've reached a size limit and I forgot to delete some other stuffs on there. So sorry for the disturbance because you have to watch 2 videos at my channel, but that's okay. Oh, my hands is getting sticky. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make a big batch. And this glue is very thick. Now I have to cut the sides. Sorry for my pretty ugly hands. Just saying. This glue bottle is so tough. Okay, this is so tough. Like my hands are starting to be ouchy. Oh no! This is bad. I gotta do this. Okay, there's enough. Okay, we're gonna mix it a little bit because, you know, we gotta know our consistency. This glue is very thick. Okay, I think we are gonna be adding a lot of lotions because, like, I want to make this a super duper pretty good slime. Okay, that is enough. I think I put a lot of lotions, but I love this lotion because it smells so good. Like after this slime like doing. Okay, now my glue is color green. Okay, I will be like really making a big slime. Okay. Powder. Oh, that is so powdery. Okay, that is enough. That's so powdery. Ugh. So powdery. Okay, gonna mix. Wow, I really like the mint green color. Cause this lotion is kind of like mint green scent. It's pretty nice. Gonna put our scent. Oh yes. I think I put a lot of lotion and then maybe I put a lot of glue. I don't know what will really happen right now. Just we're gonna mix. Then the last thing to do is add the glitter. So my other next video, I'll be making the backward slime challenge. OMG Vas. Put you in there. Gotta dump the whole. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. We're gonna mix. This is freaking pretty. So glittery. I hope you can see it, but that is like how glittery is that? Like how? Now this slime will be very pretty. Okay, we're gonna mix well. Okay, it's pretty good. It's very pretty. Good, still mix. Okay, I think it's time to put our activator, and I hope this works. I'm gonna put a little bit of time, maybe like a lot, because I hope this will activate. 3, 2, 1, go. Is it activating? OMG, I think it's activating. Hope. Yes, it's activating. OMG, it's activating. OMG. OMG, it's activating. OMG, 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 OMG. Gotta still mix. We don't want to put a lot of activator. OMG, it's really activating. Okay, now my activator is running out. OMG, it's activating, it's activating! OMG, 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 OMG! Okay, my hands are pretty tired. Oh gosh, okay. Ouch! My knees! I don't have a chair. Like, I don't have a chair. My chair is on my other setup. Okay, steering. Okay, it's like a just as an activator. Still gonna mix. Mix. Okay, we have to work this out because it's super duper hard to activate. That is the last activator. Slime, because I'll be very disappointed. Okay, it's getting into that form that I really wanted. I still got mix. Overactivate this, but I have to put a lot. So I'm gonna put I cannot knit it right now because it's oh my gosh, my hands! Ouch! My hands! But I still gotta mix this. Oh, the container is so close to me. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, I'm really on the sides. And I really forgot where to put my chair. Oh, I just also said that it was on my other setup. Silly me. Ugh. Okay. This is hard to activate. I could put a lot. My hands are pretty tired. Wait, I just got, okay, mix. popsicle to be broken. Don't want to be popsicle to be like broken. Oh, I want to use my hand. Yes, I want my hands. It's hard to mix. Okay. To make like a video about like some 60-second challenges, because I will have a big problem if I make that video, because dito pa lang guys, like dito pa lang hirap na mag-mix. It's churning, it's churning, it's churning, it's churning lang. Sticky kasi. Sana ito na yung nakabilis na parang. OMG, my first sachet of activator is already out. Like it's already out. Like OMG. Okay. I think it's on. It's on. It's forming. It's forming. There's some over there. Gonna knit it a little bit. It's not that sticky, but it's just like hard. I know it's sticky. I hope you can see it. No, not the scissors, please. Okay. So it's really hard to make something like this. Like it's forming and it's like, it's not that sticky, but still don't like it. Oh no, I ran out of Ariel. Oh no. Gotta open first. Just got the first sachet and it's already out. No. Okay, gotta wear this. Okay, this is the last. That is the last amount of my Ariel detergent. And it's not slime. Like, that is just not good. I think the problem about this one is the lotion did a bit a lot. I think that is make my slime a little bit more like expander. But I'll end this video here. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash that like button. I will see you guys later. Bye.